Anyway, you done?
Just reach here.
There's a part I want you to play.
Very interesting. But then again, I'll be so disappointed if I wasn't afforded the privilege to play a part.
Well, I'm so happy to hear you say that. Let me ask you a couple of questions.
Go ahead.
Would I be correct to say that there was a time when you and what a tall, light-skinned guy usually walk with, what him name?
Spain.
Yeah. You had some kind of business dealings with the minister? Something to do with shipping?
Oh, you mean the shipping company?
The one that had a couple of issues that you seem to have been concerned about. Would I also be correct to say that the remuneration from the proceeds of the business weren't exactly equitable?
One thing with you, old friend. You seem to always have a finger on the pulse of everything that happens.
Well, make I show you what the blood pressure of this patient is now. Has it ever occurred to you that your daughter's unfortunate incident may have been directly connected to your not being entirely pleased and being very vocal about it? And the minister's response could possibly have resulted in your daughter's problem.
That, my friend, is like a perpetual case of sour stomach. Because believe me, I was this close to taking matters into my own hands. And the fact is, I am still not decided if I shouldn't.
Do me a favor. Leave it to me. I am about to demonstrate to the minister what blitzkrieg. King. Not being rude, but make like Casper the Ghost. See.
My name is Jonathan Majors. Or you will have a major problem. I would say good afternoon, but that ship has sailed.
The only people who can enter that door in the manner you just did is either, no, you're not him, or, no, you're not him either. So I'm going to take it for granted, Mr. Major, that you have a warrant.
As a matter of fact,
Yeah. You ready? Me know. We just reach out.